Download the CountDown link in description. Click and drag to your project. Import to time account dependency. Create a variable of type CountTimer. Start variable using your class as parameter. Now let's start a timer. Provide a time. Provide an action. And your text or slide or null. Drag your view to your variable. Click play. At the end, it performs the given action. Example with slider. Start looping event. Provide a time. Play count event true. Start an observer for the count timer event. On timer event more equals your function. Start 5 seconds, finish. More 5 seconds, finish.